Colombo Strikers and Gol Marvels will clash in match 19 of the 2024 Lanka Premier League in the Premandasa Stadium in Colombo on Monday, the 15th of July. While Gol are at number 2 on the points table having won 4 of their 6 encounters, Colombo number 3 पे हैं। उन्होंने अपने 5 मैचेस में से 3 हारे हैं। Gol ने कोलंबो को 7 रन से हराया था in the first fixture between the two teams this season in Pallekele on the 3rd of July. The Premandasa Stadium in Colombo has hosted 45 T20 matches since the start of 2022 and it has been a neck-to-neck contest between the team batting first and chasing. जिस टीम ने पहले बैटिंग करी है, they have won 21 matches and the team batting second has won 22 matches in this time frame. The captain who has won the toss has elected to bat first on 23 occasions and chase on 21 instances. It is a great toss to win in Colombo as the captain who has called it right has won 29 of the 45 matches for a win probability of 64.44%. The average first innings team total at RPS is 153 while the average score chasing is 136. The highest score is 252 while the lowest score is 74. While the pitch is conducive both to pace and spin, the fast bowlers have a better strike rate while the spinners have been more restrictive. But the teams are unlikely to make any changes to their last playing 11s. Colombo hold the edge in the rivalry and have a 6-5 advantage in the head-to-head. Glenn Phillips has been in red-hot form and hammered 350s in his last 3 matches this season. He will be the batter to watch out for in the Colombo playing 11. Shadab Khan has been brilliant with the ball for Colombo this season. वो wicket tally में दूसरे नंबर पे है this season and has returned with 10 wickets in just 5 matches at an average of 11.1. Alex Hales is the leading run getter for Gol Marvels this season and the 3rd highest overall. Isuru Udana is the leading wicket taker of the tournament so far with 11 wickets in 6 matches at a strike rate of 12.54. Dunit Vilalage has bagged 5 wickets in as many matches and is also a useful batter in the lower order. He has an impressive record as a bowler in the LPL. Thisara Pereira is the avoid pick for Colombo as he has not contributed with the bat or ball this season. He has scored just 82 runs and picked just 1 solitary wicket in the tournament. Tim Sheffield is the hot pick for Gol Marvels. He has hammered 224 runs in 6 innings at a strike rate of 148.3 with 100 and 150 in the tournament. Janit Liange is the avoid pick for Gol. He has completely failed with the bat in the tournament with an aggregate of 47 runs in 5 innings at an average of 9.4. Gol Marvels will have the edge in the contest as they have more batters in form in the tournament. Based on the relative strength of both teams, Gol Marvels have a 60% chance of winning the encounter. Glenn Phillips would be a good choice for captain. Alex Hales is a fine option for vice captain. एंड फाइनली आवर फैंटेसी 11 जिसमें विकेट कीपर होंगे नुरोशन डिक्वाला एंड एडिशनल कीपर हैं भानुका राजपक्षा। स्पेशलिस्ट बैटर्स होंगे ग्लेन फिलिप्स एंड एलेक्स हेल्स। 4 ऑलराउंडर्स में हैं शादाब खान, इसुरू उडाना, दुनित वेलालागे और डुवेन प्रेटोरियस। बॉलर्स के रूप में शामिल हैं मतीशा पथिराना, बिनूरा फर्नांडो और महेश ठिकसाना।